Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashir Kirk here with Measured Tones Institute of Quran with part 2 of lesson 2. Bismillah. So we are continuing on with connecting the letters. So if you saw the previous video, inshallah you know what's going on. If you haven't, check out the previous video, inshallah. I'll put a link somewhere on this video and you can refer to that video and continue on here. So Bismillah. In this first box, we have kaf, ba. So that's one of the ways kaf can look at the beginning of a word. Kaf, ba. This next one is also kaf, ba. So we have kaf, ba, kaf, ba. And then we have kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. Again, kaf, alif, kaf, alif. But as you can see, the two kafs are slightly different, but you can see the resemblance. One is just a little longer than the other one, but they're the same, alhamdulillah. This next one, ba, kaf, ta. Ba, kaf, ta. So we have ba, we have kaf in the middle there, which looks very similar to the kaf in the beginning and the one right before, and the two in the beginning. Ba, kaf, ta. Next one, ta, kaf, tha. Ta, kaf, tha. Ba, ta, tha. Noon, ya. Now, some people might think, oh, well, where are the dots? Typically, when ya is coming at the end of a word, they oftentimes will remove the two dots in this Uthmani script. Some people who are familiar with the other letter that resembles this is alif maqsura. But here, there is no dagger alif over this ya, so it's just ya as opposed to alif maqsura. And inshallah, I'll make another video explaining the difference between ya and alif maqsura. Ba, alif. So now let's go back and do that again, but we'll just go straight through, starting from the beginning, inshallah. Okay, starting from the right top corner. I won't put the arrows in this one. I'll just say it, and you can see how I say it, and then try to do it yourself. Kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf alif, kaf alif, ba kaf ta, ta kaf tha, ba ta tha, noon ya, ba alif. Let's do that one more time. Kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf alif, kaf alif, ba kaf ta, ta kaf tha, ba ta tha, noon ya, ba alif. And that is that for part 2 of lesson 2. Inshallah, follow us on over to the next video for the third part of this lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Until next time.